Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then you'll see widgets icon. Just tap on it, and to add the widget to your home screen you should select one from the applications, and after that you'll see here the different types of the widgets which you could add to your home screen. Just to add the widget, you should hold it and drag it to your home screen with your finger. If you want to move widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it by this way. To resize the widget, you should also hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.